Hello, once again here. In this video today I'll show you how do you know your hard disk partition is MBR or GPT. So let's follow the step. At first I need to go click on this PC, show more, then click the manage, then click disk management. It takes some time for loading the disk. So here is showing my all drive. So I just click this drive and go to the properties option. Then I go to the hardware, then click properties. So I click on the volume, then here is show the populate, then click here partition style, showing the GPT. Another option is this option, this computer management option you can open to run. So click Windows R, then type disk mgmt.msc. That is show the disk information, properties, hardware, properties, volume, then click populate. So here is showing the partition style GPT, or your partition format is MBR, then here is show the MBR. Thanks for watching.